We have the latest Samsung Galaxy F22 here, and as usual, there is no pre-applied plastic protector which we find on almost all other devices. Starting the scratch test as usual on the selfie camera and back camera. Unfortunately, there's already a crack fail on the back lens as soon as the blade touches the left camera frame. This is the first time ever that we are facing a clean break on the camera glass simply by touching off the blade. Almost sounds like a bad joke, though it's a fact. Anyways, continuing with the rest of the scratch test. For the scratch resistance of the tempered glass protection, by rubbing it with some common atoms and a heavy duty blade. Poor quality tempered glass protections are not able to handle the blade, thereby making the blade an important scratch tool. On the other hand, high quality glass protection like Corning has a 100% success rate till date. Besides the unfortunate touch break disaster on the back lens, the display protection does a great job due to the use of genuine Corning glass. Will the single crack during the scratch test make any difference in the water test? But you have to keep in mind that the Samsung Galaxy F22 isn't IP certified INSURE rated. Also, the F22 is a device which isn't IP68 or 67 rated water resistant. So beware of misleading videos which submerge such devices underwater, giving a wrong dangerous impression of water resistance. Submersing it will give you an awesome expensive trip to the service station. Anyway, in the ongoing oleophobic test, we are looking for an oleophobic layer on the tempered glass protection which handles grime and smudges, giving it a smooth feel while using the touchscreen. Without oleophobic coating, the water will just spread around on the glass surface instead of forming drops, just as you can see on the F22. Everything fine in the oleophobic department as usual on Samsung, though the issue faced here on the F22 is also common. The distorted low audio and initial sign of liquid damage took about 22 minutes to recover, preventing it from going to the next round. Next up, moving on to fun stuff with value. The bend test of devices will give you a clear picture in video proof about the structural build quality that you have paid for. And Samsung have generally done great apart from mostly the A series and a few from the M series. Hardly much flex or bend degree. From the first AMOLED display side bend, the F22 seems to be quite sturdy at this stage. Still no damages such as cracks, dents or kinks in weak spots like the scanner from the second backside bend. Now for the last bend. The Samsung Galaxy F22 at least does great in the build quality department due to its super strong plastic design as compared to some recently failed devices and convincingly passes the bend test. Next up, the drop test. Dropping the F22 from 4 different angles and 2 heights as usual. First pocket height drop, bottom edge facing down. something seems to have gone seriously wrong from just a pocket height display side drop. The phone seems to be working, but the AMOLED display has gone completely unresponsive. And after few unsuccessful attempts to turn it on, we realized that the display has gone dead. We have never seen a display die just from a pocket height drop, which makes the F22 much more weaker than the recently failed Galaxy A12. The Samsung Galaxy F22 is a massive failure in terms of drop impact resistance, making it mandatory to take a 1-year screen protection.